Okay, class, so today we are going to preview some vocabulary from your upcoming short story, The Necklace. You know the deal. I'll say the word, you'll practice saying the word out loud. We'll go through a context example together, and then we'll go over the real definition. Ready? Okay. So the first word is dumbfounded. Say it with me now. Dumbfounded. Okay, good. When I saw Giselle in real life, I could only stare, dumbfounded by her beauty and perfect skin. Steve Harvey looks pretty dumbfounded in this picture by probably a silly answer on Family Feud. So what could dumbfounded mean? Right, rendered speechless with astonishment and surprised. Okay, so the next word is superimpose. All right, say it with me now. Superimpose. Good. Can you see how I have superimposed a picture of myself over a picture of Tom Brady? So what could this verb mean? To place on top of. Excellent. Tapestry. Ready? Tapestry. And when I was in college, many students decorated their dorm room walls with colorful tapestries like the ones shown here. They sell them in Urban Outfitters. I'm sure you've seen them before. So what's a tapestry? Good. A wall hanging of heavy fabric with pictorial designs. Excellent. Okay. Exultant. A little tricky to pronounce, so practice with me now. Ready? Exultant. Nice. Now you guys know Patriots head coach Bill Belichick. He's not one to show much emotion. So this is about as exultant as I have ever seen him. Now what could exultant mean based on the way Bill looks in this picture? Joyful and proud. Good, especially because of triumph or success. Awesome. All right, stupefied. All my Harry Potter fans know where I'm going with this, but what could it mean? So the teacher was stupefied when some students didn't know how to format their MLA heading. Say it with me now, stupefied. All right, nice. Now what could stupefied mean? It means dumbstruck or as if struck dumb with astonishment and surprise. Good. A little bit of a trickier word, but it's a good one. Okay, next the word is volition. So say it with me now. Ready? Volition. By the time the weekend arrives, Katie lacks the volition to do anything but sleep. This cat here looks too tired to do anything. So what could volition mean? Right, so the capability of conscious choice and decision. So it doesn't exactly mean energy, which it might seem like in this example. It means kind of like the will to do something. So many students might not lack the volition to get all of their work done. Does that make sense? All right, good. Now, next we have the word frenzied. So, the frenzied Black Friday shoppers did not care who they trampled on their way to get the best deal on a new flat screen. Now, what could frenzied mean? Say it with me now. Frenzied. Good. Yeah, it means affected or marked by mania or uncontrolled by reason. So usually a crowd is frenzied or a person can be frenzied. Nice. Stammer. Now say it slowly. Stammer. It kind of sounds like what it is. Jimmy's nerves caused him to stammer as he delivered his history presentation. Yep, it's a synonym of stutter, and it means to speak haltingly or to trip over one's words. Good. All right, the last word today is petulantly. Now, petulant would be the adjective, right? So to turn it into an adverb, which describes a verb, you guys know that, is petulantly. So say petulantly with me. Petulantly. Very good. All right, so the child on the left is behaving petulantly. This girl right here. Now, what could that mean? Good, in an easily irritated or annoyed manner. It also usually implies a level of stubbornness, petulantly. All right, awesome job. Now, you guys know you can find this PowerPoint online anytime you want to review and practice the words. And tonight for homework, you're going to jump right in here to vocab.com. You're going to start your practice session, and you're going to begin practicing the words here on vocab.com. Woo, I'm on a hot streak. All right, I'm going to keep going until I've reached mastery on this list. And don't forget to click this green button because it shows me how well I'm doing. All right, see you next week. Thanks, guys.